I'm trying to figure out where his horns go. His horns have a little hole. I am not sure. The picture it doesn't show the hole. Oh. Where are the Where are the holes for this guy? He's the one that needs a phone. He doesn't have any feet. Ah! Got it. My hands kind of hurt from that push, but that's fine. Alright, when you're doing that, I'll find the other arm.
Oh yeah, he's missing an arm.
I know, it's somewhere around in this.
Right here.
Oh, thanks. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's see where this goes.
That's supposed to go on top of him. It goes on top of him.
Can I see the picture? Here. What is it called? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutation Chamber Unleashed. 196 pieces for ages 6 to 12.
Look like that guy looks pretty cool, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
He has little grabby hands on the top of his head.
Yep.
The weirdest thing.
Alright, now you can start building. You got all your characters?
Yeah, first let's take a look at the characters. First we have... Let's take a look at all the characters in the set. Then according to this cool guy, we have Raphael, this guy with a phone, I don't really know. Wait, what's the set called so I can say it?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
What's the name of it?
Mutation Chamber Unleashed.
Unleashed?
Mutation.
Mutation.
With an M. Mutation. Chamber. Unleashed. And it has how many parts? Pieces?
196.
And for what age?
6 to 12. Rotate chamber. I said rotate chamber. Oh
now
yeah.
You're gonna need a green one.
Wait, I'll use these on each side, and then what's supposed to contain it to that? With this.
And then this one. Right here.
Yeah, that one needs something to connect.
So now, what do you need to connect it? You need another one of those.
Oh!
Is it this one? No.
No, it's too small. It's this one.
And then you need a pink one here. You need 2 of those.
Just remove it from here. And because I didn't really want to have much napkins.
What else do you need?
I need
these.
Yeah, those.
2 of those.
Yeah, where does these go? Like that?
Let me see.
Like this? Or the pink? Okay. I'm not sure if that's gonna go out well, but I think so. I have some little computer screens, an exit sign, and a spinning arrow. That's cool. And some Mutation that is supposed to stay right there. You see? See the little bubbles? Oh, a little X sign. that's what I was hoping for the next page to be.
Look at here. This page.
Yeah, make sure you order them all together.
Alright.
Make sure they're not mixed up.
Go ahead, start building.
Right, so first you need one of these greens. Oh yeah, first actually you need one of these to go. And then this. Whoa, I almost dropped that. At least I saved it from still holding it.
It goes there?
Yeah, I'm very thankful to hold it still, so it wouldn't break. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, baby.
We didn't get the kiss, right?
Oh, he's so sweet. There.
Ah.
Now you gotta put these
These go like that
right down the front.
on top of the green, like, and together like that.
Mm-hmm.
Da da da.
The pink ones go here.
So it's like that. Well, look how it is. It's like that. You can place one of the pinks. I'll place the other.
You need two more green ones.
It was cool. Thanks. Are those
And
green?
then two of these.
Oh, you need the blue ones.
Is that it?
What?
What's that blue? Yeah.
Yep. They are dark blue, and that's what it shows on the picture. The glass
that's what that is.
but it's the other way around with
Yeah.
that. So that one's the one that, this one needs to be placed on top of here. Don't give it too much stuff.
Okay. Then you need one of these.
Ooh,
What color is this? Is this blue?
Yep. It's dark blue. My favorite color. It goes right there. Mommy, I like.
Again. Okay.
Yeah, but it's just, you know,
Yeah.
the other way around.
There you go.
You know, it's just the other way around.
Yeah.
Face. Oh, it's the other way. Got it. There. It goes like
Now we
that.
have to put the stickers on that one.
Wait. Oh, it's the other way around. So this one's like there. And then that one's like that.
Yeah.
The melting chamber.
Here.
Zzz.
The bottom goes on what? On here? Oh, on here. Like
Ah,
that.
that's a great idea.
Like that. It's on the gray.
I remember how how the glass went. We just need to place it from the.
Well, actually, it doesn't go like that. Look, it's not there. See, the gray is showing still.
I'll get it.
I think we have to put it. Let me see something. Can I see?
The doors need to turn open. So is it on? It's
And
what?
here, look, like that. That's how you put
Oh, that's how it works. So you
Put it
have
on,
to
on
connect.
here, the blue.
You have to make sure
It's on the blue.
that is not on
Yeah.
the pink.
Like that.
Ooh, that it. Let's try it out with the big guy that was in the pink. Da, do, do, do. That's cool, right, Mommy?
Yep.
Oh, this broke it. This broke it. Fix it. Yeah.
Put these here.
Now we can put him in his melting chamber. Do, do, do. Oh, yeah, I was putting the other one before you just start.
Oh no, I have to put it both up.
Alright, it's walked. It's walked.
These.
Alright, wait 1 sec. Let me fix this.
Right here.
Okay. He's almost gonna fall. Let me fix him. Oh, his fingers are in the way. Let me put them back. wants to really get
Now we
out.
have to build this.
Oh wait, what? I just found this gray stuff right here.
Here.
So yeah, just turn the melting chamber over and let everyone see it through the camera. This is gonna be a great goes this way. That it goes in the middle where it is. But the
Let me
only
see.
problem is
No, that's wrong. Let me do it.
it needs to be too
It has
high
to be-
back. Too high back.
So it has to be right in the middle, Mikey. Right in the middle, right here.
Yeah, make sure
Like that.
it's
There. Now you
like
can put the other two.
that. Then the other one's
Now you gotta do the other.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe that could be slime everywhere.
And then one of these little yellow
And then
ones to
slime
top.
on the front there sliding out. That could be. Then what
So
that?
you need that, and then you have to put it
There.
here in the side.
Wait, that.
Like right there, yeah.
And then you have to build it with the other one, right?
And now,
You need another one?
no, it just showed me one.
So it's just like that.
Yeah, it's just one for now. You use the other one later, I guess. Then you're gonna need one of these, and then two of these.
Whoa.
Then you're gonna put it on top.
I do need
Gray one
a
in the
gray-
the light gray one in the middle. Right here in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And then these on the side. And then you're gonna need this one.
Oh, wait, one of them are missing from here.
No,
Oh, because of the thing.
like that, yeah.
Later, we're gonna have to take that one
This
off
one
to
goes here.
put it, right?
Yeah.
So don't make sure there's nothing else to put
Wait, Mikey.
right
You need
there.
these here.
There.
Right here?
We're gonna have to move this
Yes.
guy
It goes.
like that.
No, the other way. Like this.
Got it.
Goes on? Oh yeah, because it moves around, see?
Yeah. Let's put the guy in this before show.
Now we have to start building something else.
Well, it's in this poor solar space. When his fingers are in the way to turn it.
Let me see,
There.
turn around. I need to put these here.
It's the end of the year. Time to reflect on our accomplishments.
Wrong way.
At Chevrolet, we had quite a few. In fact, this year we won more awards than any.
Let me see.
Oh, it goes like up. Like
Yeah,
that.
like that. Alright. Now you need these. That one. And this gray one. Two of these. Here. Now you put
Oh,
it.
it's onto the real chamber
Now
next.
you put this on top.
Oh yeah, I'll place. You connect it.
You gotta put it here.
Oh.
And here.
Right.
Put them on top.
First is wait. I think something's wrong. This one's supposed to go. It needs to be like that. Either way. This. Get it right. There. Now you just need to place them up here like that.
Listen.
Oh, on this. Right. That.
But they have to be facing like this. Okay, like that. Oh yeah, they're gonna be able to turn around.
What? So it's supposed to be electrical this thing right here. So it goes.
Let me see something. These go here. Like this.
That's all I
Oh,
want.
that's an extra sword. Okay.
Cats?
Yeah. That's just see it. They just have them right there. Look. Let's see. Give it a spin around.
Wait, let me first load up this thing right here. It needs to be reconnected. I don't want this.
You like your set?
Yeah. Wait. Will everyone be shown to be amazed by this?
For exceptional offers on select diamonds. No matter who you are, if you have type 2 diabetes, you know you struggle to keep your A1C down. So imagine
Let me see him.
there was a new class of medicine that works differently to lower blood sugar. Imagine
Oh, so this guy's supposed to fall through there, right?
once daily in your cup.
Whoa.
First of a new kind of prescription medicine that tastes along with diet and exercise. Blood sugar levels and type 2 diabetes.